everybody. My name is Victor Verba, and welcome to our weekly 30-minute webinar. I'm a systems engineer over here at Variphy, and I'm going to be your host for today's webinar. Today, we are joined by our very own Director of Marketing, Mr. Phil Corbin. Today, Phil's going to be walking us through Variphy's user community, where you can ask Variphy or non-Variphy related questions, connect with your peers, or just head over to the cantina for a little bit of fun. We're going to go ahead and start off with a quick overview of our company and what we do. Then Phil's going to walk us through Planet Variphy, where we'll take a look at some of the user community and some of the existing posts. We'll pause for some Q&A and get some of your questions answered. During the demo, if you have any questions, please make sure to ask them in the Q&A panel in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Then after Q&A, we'll reward one lucky winner with a $50 Amazon gift card, so make sure you hang around to see if you have won. Just a quick overview of Variphy. We are the preferred analytics and management solution for Cisco collaboration. We provide industry-leading CDR, UCCX, and Cube analytics, customizable dashboards and widgets, remote phone control, DID management, and change management. But today we are here to talk a little bit about Planet Variphy. Before we kick things off, for those of you looking for a more hands-off Variphy experience, we do offer a managed consulting service. This is a service that provides a dedicated systems engineer to do all the heavy lifting for you, giving you and your engineers a completely hands-off experience. We are basically an extension of your organization. Upgrades, one-on-one training, reports, dashboard building, your ninja will have you covered. Your dedicated ninja will be engaged with you on a one-on-one basis to provide additional consulting, unassisted reporting, dashboard configurations, and system monitoring assistance. The only thing you have to do is call us. If you want any additional information on our managed services offering, please feel free to reach out to your account manager, and we'd be happy to go more in depth. So with all that said, Phil, I'm going to go ahead and pass the ball and let you tell us a little bit about Planet Variphy.
Thanks a lot, Vic. Excited to be here. It's been a while.
It has, man. Happy to have you. You should be able to share your screen there.
There you go. Yep.
Excellent. Take it away, buddy.
Awesome. Thanks, Vic. Welcome, everybody. If you hadn't seen the block party in September, we kind of unveiled Planet Variphy, our user forum, to all of our existing customers. It's a community that revolves around you, our customers, our members, and us here at Variphy. It's a place to connect with peers, other Variphy users. You can expand your knowledge on Variphy, on CDR, on phone control, on Cube, UCCX, all the different reporting features that we offer. You can also collaborate on topics and discussions in our forums as well. We have all employees here at Variphy as members in the community out helping, collaborate with our end customers as well. And by doing all of that, you can earn points and rewards. So by earning points, you can earn things like VIP gift packs. That's a mask, a shirt, and other awards like Amazon gift cards. For example, if you complete a profile and earn 1,000 points and unlock 5 badges, you will be able to get a VIP pack, which includes our wonderful Alien and Cat DeLorean shirt and a very own Variphy mask as well. So we reward you for being active, helping others, and start new discussions within Planet Variphy. Just taking a step back, how do you access it? You can go to planet.variphy.com, or you can go to variphy.com/planet. You will need your variphy.com login. If you don't have your login, please reach out to your account manager and we can get you all set up. All right, super high level. We'll go through here. We'll get into a live demo after we show you, kind of a high level of the navigation. The first thing in Planet Variphy is the activity feed. It's the most important piece to Planet Variphy. It's the latest happenings from around the community. So it reaches out to all the different corners and forums and activity within Planet and surfaces them to a social media activity feed. It shows group activities, messages, comments, all that good stuff. You're able to you're able to share emojis if you'd like. The next Navigation item in Planet is members. So everybody in the community. The community is always growing. I think we have over 5,000 users of Verify. So we have a huge potential to get a large community here within Planet, and it's continuously growing every day. If you click on members, you'll see a directory of all community members, including us, Verify staff as well. And you'll know it's a Verify staff member by looking at the badge. We'll have a little blue V by our name in our profile, so you'll know that it's a employee of Verify. Within the members tab, you can search, you can follow, and you can connect with members. A really great way to, if you see somebody that you kind of like their posts and some of their comments, you can connect to make sure to stay up to date with everything that they post within Planet Verify. Groups, fuel Planet Verify. These are discussion forums on features and topics. We have all of our features parted out in groups, anything from CDR to Cube to Cloud, Verify Cloud. And we also have fun groups like the Cantina, which is pretty popular on Fridays when everybody's getting ready for the weekend. A lot of us, have furry friends and pets. We're super pet oriented here at Verify, so we always like to share pics of our furry friends. I have 3 cats and 2 pigs, so I'd like to share photos of them as well. So yeah, we have the Verify features. We also have some fun. Not that Verify features aren't fun, but we have the Cantina and the furry friends as well. We also have just general tech talk, so it doesn't have to be Cisco collaboration specific. We can talk about anything technology focused, anything from Zoom, MS Teams, where the technology is going, what direction we're going in this new existing and post-COVID world, and a more work from home world, right? We encourage a lot of tech talk as well. All right. Activity feed, I already kind of went through there. This is where at a high level you can start a post. This is a general post to the community. This is where you can share images, documents, and more. For specific feature topics, please post those in the groups in the forum setting. If you post directly on the activity feed, it's more of a general post. It's not going to be specific to a group. Within forums, groups, and just the general activity feed, you can add images, you can add PDFs and docs and other file types and even emojis as well. And then you could set the privacy, right? Verify, Planet Verify is public to the web. However, if you want to post it to only members of Planet Verify, you're able to do so by setting the privacy of your post. So only members of the community can view it. Again, this is the member directory where you can search for Planet Verify users. You can see if they're a Verify employee, and you have the option to follow and receive notifications on those people that you'd like to follow. And then groups again, super high level, how to join a group, how to create a new discussion, and how to reply to an existing discussion. If you subscribe to a group, you are signing up to receive email notifications anytime there's a new discussion posted within that group, which is actually a really good feature because sometimes I like to know if somebody's posted in the canteen on Friday, or if somebody has a question on a wall board or a dashboard, or something specific to a CDR report. We can get our sales engineers in there and answer your questions. So I really highly recommend subscribing to the groups that you'd like to receive notifications on. And then again, earning points within Planet Verify to redeem for a VIP pack, for Amazon gift cards. The easiest way to earn your first batch of points is completing your profile. By default, you'll be receiving a username of Explorer-1234, random number after Explorer. We really would like for you to go into your profile, upload an avatar photo, update your handle or username for something more creative, more specific to what you'd like, and save all of that, and you'll earn your first batch of points to really get going towards earning rewards. All right, let's take a look at Planet Verify. So here I am, completely logged in. By default, it lands me on the activity feed. I can see all the upcoming webinars that are within the Verify Planet community. I can see next week we have UC Admin 101. Not sure who's leading that. You can basically see all of the November webinars upcoming, and you can subscribe to those here. This is kind of like our our marketing banner of what we're want you to see for that particular week or month. We're celebrating Veterans Day tomorrow, so we have our Veterans Day badge. Appreciate anybody who served for their bravery and sacrifice. So we'd like to recognize those who've served and are still serving this great country. We'll have some social posts on that tomorrow as well. In this area here, you'll also see, Planet Podcast, right? We have a new podcast that our very own Vic and Jeff Young are hosting. We created our first episode a few weeks back and posted it last week. So we urge you to go check it out. It's exclusive to Planet. It's not available on YouTube. It's not available on any other social channel. Those podcasts are exclusively available here on Planet Variphy. So I urge you to go check that out. Monthly contributors. So this is a top monthly contributor point system that resets each month. So you can see how you're tracking against other Verify users as far as responding, starting new discussions, who's active in the community. It really kind of keeps your finger on the pulse of who is active in Planet Variphy. This excludes Verify employees. This shows those users, those end customers of Verify, and how they're tracking and using Planet Variphy. If you're, looking to, respond or comment, and you want to know, hey, is this person still on Planet? Are they around? Recently active members will show you who has been recently logged in to Planet Variphy, and if they're still around for a quick response. Also, you're following users, right? Who are you following? This will show up here on the left column as well. If you wanted to start a new general post, that's smack dab in the middle. You just click on start a post and type this, type whatever you'd like. This is, again, is not specific to a group or a feature discussion. This is just general. Like if you'd want to post a picture or something high level, you'd post that here. And you can format your text. You can add an image. You can upload a document, a report, a PDF, whatever you like. We do have a Giphy here. I know that's really popular within the chat application Slack. So we kind of have that going on here. And then obviously emojis, just like you'd see in any other social media channel. So you can post a general update. Within your feed, you can look at all updates. You can look at just the likes, any groups that you're involved in, any app mentions that you specifically, or just anybody that you follow as a user. So it gives you a way to kind of filter down and distill down all of that activity within Planet from different tabs here. You can also search your feed for a specific keyword or term. Groups, this will show you the latest group that was had activity within it. Any new groups that have been created. Furry Friends was the latest created, success stories, etc. And then the popular groups, which groups have most traction. I know we are working diligently on the new release 12.4, and within Planet Variphy, we show exclusive previews of what's in the works. So we will usually have a lot of traction and popularity in what's new. So come back frequently to see kind of a preview of what the devs and our development team has been working on for 12.4. Again, that's exclusive to Planet. We don't post that on the website. We don't post that on any other social channel. We're only posting that in the forum of what's new. All right, we also like to poll on Planet Verified. I think it's the right forum to kind of get a sense of what features we'd like introduced to our product. Events, we're getting ready to plan out Cisco Live 2022 in Vegas. I'm hearing it might be a scaled down version of Cisco Live, but we kind of wanted to know, from our customer base who we might see out there next year, who's comfortable traveling, who's comfortable going to, um, live events next year. So it's pretty cool to kind of get a sense of, instant feedback here on Planet Verify. And we'll post polls, frequently to try to get a sense of, um, what our customers want and what our customers' feedback are. So, right on. So, again, members, this is the members directory. I kind of like to see, who's online. Looks like Simi's online. And who has been recently online, right? If I wanted to reach out to somebody, I could see Jaron was on 2 hours ago, along with Matt Sykes as well. So you can also search for members, and you can alphabetically search for members, etc. And I can see everybody I'm following here. Again, groups, super important here. Again, it'll show you the last active group at the top here. We have anything from webinars, dashboards, wallboards, the very new Planet podcast. Again, this is our very own Victor and Jeff hosting their podcast. And this should come out at least once a month on a wide variety of topics. They discuss Cube analytics and Cube reporting and our new analytics templates on the last podcast. So it's always cool to pick their brain and listen to their perspective on certain things. Again, if you have anything you'd like them to discuss on Planet Podcast, please shoot them a message or respond to the group, and we will definitely take that in consideration on things that we can discuss in our podcast. We're all ears. We're always looking for new ideas. Again, we're also looking for new ideas on what to create webinars around. We are definitely looking for suggestions and topics for webinars and our podcast. So that's groups. Again, you'd want to subscribe to groups to receive notifications. I guess I did not subscribe to Planet Podcast. So now I'm going to get emails. Anybody has any suggestions for Victor Verba or Jeff Young, I will now get emailed. I'm a member and I have subscribed, so that's great. Planet Guide. So this is kind of overall, bird's eye view of what is Planet Verify, kind of what I discussed in the navigation, and kind of a high level view of our reward system. What are points, what are badges, what are ranks, what are leaderboards. You can go through here and kind of check those out. We are always introducing new badges to Planet Verify, new ways for you to earn points by doing different things within Planet Verify. So I'd say check back to this badge board frequently. We're continuously adding new badges on different things you can do within the community, again, to use to gain points and redeem rewards. So awesome. The search, actually, let's not forget about the search. So if I were to search, PCR, if I were to search CDR, let me find if there's a result. The search is a segmented search. So it is searching all of Planet Verify. It is searching our kb.verify.com. So it's searching our knowledge base as well. It's searching our blog, and it's searching discussion forums, replies within the forums, different groups, and different just general activity. So the search is pretty powerful on Planet Verify, where you get these different segmented search results based on your keyword that you've searched. Notifications. So if somebody would mention me, somebody posts something that I have been following, you're going to get a little red indicator notification here that somebody that you follow or somebody has mentioned you or responded to a discussion forum that you created. You get a notification there. Currently mine are empty. Again, your profile, so your avatar here, your profile, your account information, timeline, etc. If you're new to Planet Verify, I highly recommend you come into your avatar here and you edit your profile. And this is the best way you can earn points off the bat is you'd want to update your handle and username to something that is a little more simple than Explorer dash 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? Phil was available, so I took it. You can add your company name if you want. You don't have to. These are not required. You could add your title, where you are located internationally or in the United States. You can, again, these fields are not mandatory, but we do reward you for updating this information, uploading a profile photo, a background cover photo, and saving that. So it's nice to kind of put an image, an avatar, a face to the name, and update your handle so it's something easier to remember than Explorer-765, whatever. So again, this is our user forum. This is our user community. It's growing daily. We have a ton of users of Verify that we still would love to join Planet Verify. And we are just super happy to be here to listen to your questions, your suggestions, just your general view of our space and our technology and the whole collaboration world. So with that, I hope I didn't forget anything, but I'm just going to open it up to questions if we have any questions regarding Planet Verify.
All right, excellent job, Phil. We did have a couple questions. Mike says, I ran into a phone issue and I'm looking for some advice. So it sounds like maybe just general questions, more UC related than possibly Verify. Where should I post my issue?
Phone issues, like Office, like Cisco phone
Yeah, I
issues.
think it sounds like more call manager
Oh,
related
gotcha.
than a Verify question.
Okay, more than a specific to our application
Right,
question.
that's what it sounds like, right?
Yeah, you could go ahead and post that in our general discussion, our tech talk, right? If you'd like.
Perfect,
We have a
excellent.
ton of combined experience here, you know, on Planet. I'm sure somebody would help you troubleshoot. Yeah.
Excellent. And another question came in. Can I think this is regarding showing when kind of the icon when somebody responds. Can you get an email notification when somebody responds to your post?
Yeah, if I am still sharing, hopefully I am, you can go to your
You are.
account, email preferences, and you can set that all up here. It's pretty detailed. Yep.
Excellent. And those were all the questions we had for today.
Great.
Phil, if you want to go ahead and pass me the ball, let me go ahead and share out my screen. We'll announce this week's winner.
All right, you should have.
I do. All
Awesome.
right, here we go. And there we have our Q&A questions. Thank you, Mike and Josh. And the winner for this week's webinar is Simi Decourtre. I hope I pronounced that right. Simi, congratulations. We'll go ahead and
Yeah.
be in touch, and we'll make sure we can get you that $50 gift card.
Awesome.
And for those of you coming up next week, we have UC Admin 101, what you should be doing, where myself and another engineer over here, Brian, will walk through some general usage and some things from a UC admin perspective that you should have built in Verify. So if you have any questions, again, please feel free. Don't hesitate. You've got access to Planet now. You know how to use it. Post those questions in Planet. It doesn't have to be Verify related, or like Phil said, you could just have a little fun and post out to the Cantina. We appreciate everybody's time today, and thank you guys for joining.
Thanks a lot.
Bye all.